Qualcomm's next-generation flagship chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, will power the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is scheduled to launch in January of next year. The Samsung-style chip will be the one specifically designed for the Galaxy, giving the Ultra an advantage. According to a Weibo post from a reliable leaker digital chat station, Qualcomm may release the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 in September, 1 month ahead of schedule, instead of in October, as it has done with its previous two flagship APs. With MediaTek's potent Dimensity 9500 scheduled to launch at roughly the same time, Qualcomm may be strategically trying to take the lead before the competition does. The rivalry between the two chip manufacturers is intensifying quickly, and it is rumored that both chips are based on TSMC's state-of-the-art 3rd Gen 3M and 3P technology. If the Galaxy S26 series is revealed a month early than expected in December 2025, Samsung may be preparing to alter its release schedule and allow pre-orders before the year is up. This implies that pre-orders for the S25 and S26, two flagship Galaxy S models, may be available in the same year. Would also shorten the time between Apple's iPhone 17 lineup and Samsung's introduction, perhaps altering the nature of the competition for high-end smartphones. Furthermore, a digital talk station suggests that the first Android flagships with Snapdragon 8 Elite may begin to appear on store shelves as early as October. It is anticipated that this new chip would include far better Pegasus CPU cores, capable of reaching 5 GHz. Completely flaming. It is also expected to have the potent new Adreno 840 GPU and support LPDDR6 RAM, paving the way for significant improvements in speed and graphics performance. In terms of core configuration, Qualcomm isn't making much changes. We're still looking at a 2+6 system, with 6 performance cores clocking in at 3.53 GHz and 2 high-performance prime cores that may be overclocked in the Galaxy Edition reaching 4.32 GHz. The worst part is that the new chip may offer 25% more performance than the existing Snapdragon 8 Elite, and the improved GPU may provide a 30% graphics bump. Those figures are taken directly from the same source's most recent Weibo post. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.